Okay, so we're in a car at the West Midlands Fire Service. They're about to do a car simulation, so they're putting together a mock car crash. So we're literally going to see from the moment the fire service arrive on the scene of a car crash, what they do, what steps they do take to try and obviously save the survivors. In the car with me, we've got AJ.
Hiya.
AJ, can you tell me a little bit about what you do here at the fire service?
I run the casualty simulation group for the fire service, which means we come and support them in all their training needs, whatever they need, whether we're being cut out of a car, rescued from a mine shaft, or whatever it is, then we're there to help them, doing all the makeup to make it look as realistic as possible.
Because I thought you'd already been in a car crash, looking at all those the scars you've got on your face and blood.
It's just makeup which we do to make it as realistic as possible, so they've got real looking injuries to deal with, so it makes it better for them and helps them to learn.
Fantastic. I'll be honest, I'm a little bit scared and nervous because obviously, this is obviously going to be a well-trained exercise. We've got fire service firemen here that are going to, they've got experience, so I know I'm in good hands. However, in real life, this is what happens. So we'll be able to see exactly, the steps they take. Can you tell me a little bit about what I'm wearing here?
Well, the crews have given you some clothing that will just protect you, because they'll probably take the roof off to get you out safely, so they don't want you to get glass or anything else, bits of metal that have dropped onto you that can do any damage for real. So you'll have protective clothing on, you've got a hard hat so that nothing will fall onto your head, and you've got safety glasses on as well to protect your eyes, and they've given you a dust mask as well, which will stop any bits from the broken glass getting in when you're breathing in and out.
Fantastic. I'll be honest, like I said, I am nervous. However, to actually be in this seat and obviously see what happens, I am anxious and I am excited at the same time. So I think they are just about to give a demonstration outside. So yeah, let's see what happens.
Silver car there, it's been in a collision with this car here. All the occupants from this vehicle have made themselves safe, so they're out of the vehicle, so don't worry about this vehicle here. As for the silver vehicle in front, we've got 2 casualties inside, right? So we don't know what they're suffering from as of yet, but we have to treat all incidents as if they've got C-spine injuries at minimum. Alright, then we escalate from there onwards. As you can see, in the front wheel, there's a cone underneath the wheel. It's not actually a cone, that's actually someone underneath that car, alright? So we're going to show you how we will rescue that person from underneath the wheels, okay? As we go through, I will be saying to you what's happening and what's taking place, alright? As a safety system of work, as you can see, all of our tools and equipment that we'll be using is out of the way, and it's in a safe area so we won't trip or fall over it. And as well, in a 2-meter zone around the vehicle, there's nothing there. Safety system of work again, okay? As you can see, the firefighters that will be dealing with this incident, they've got the correct PPE, which you can see the helmet, tunics, leggings, and we've also got the high vis on as well. Every RTC incident that we arrive at, we have to wear them so that we're visible on the roadway, okay? We've also got a dust mask as well, because if we end up cutting glasses, we don't want any small particles being inhaled by ourselves and also by the casualty as well. So all personnel that's involved will be wearing one, okay? And just waiting a few more firefighters to come over from another side.
So you've just witnessed me coming out of that car behind me. So it was a mock exercise held here at West Midlands Fire Service. You saw all the firemen who came and rescued me, the hard work that they put in, the tools that they used, keeping me calm. Obviously this was a mock accident, but however, when things like this happen, it's so important to keep those casualties calm and relaxed, so they don't injure themselves anymore. I just want to say a big thank you to the fire service for rescuing me and letting us be part of this mock exercise and simulation. Hopefully it gives you guys at home that little bit of behind the scenes of what goes on, how many people actually are involved when a car collision like this happens on the road. It's just a fantastic opportunity. So I just want to say thank you to the West Midlands Fire Service.